Wigan Mutter here with a quick send-in service proof video for Rob S. Rob, this is the Trinity console that you sent in for RGH. We RGH'd it using a Matrix V1 and the Muffin CR4 speedup technique. We replaced the front LEDs with blue LEDs as per requested on the send-in form. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XCX Menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the hard drive on the console. As you can see, we've got a nice quick boot time there, and then you'll see that the console has actually already been pre-configured to boot up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Now within the final confirmation email that you received from me that has the tracking number and the link to this proof video, there's a link to a couple of videos, or rather a playlist and a video that are really helpful for helping you navigate around and get started learning how to use the RGH, so be sure to check those out. Otherwise, everything went smoothly. The console is working just great, so we'll get it packed up, and it will actually head out your direction tomorrow, which makes it Friday, so Saturday. So maybe you're looking at a Monday or a Tuesday type delivery. So again, thank you for your business, and hope you enjoy.